Getting a laundry to make profit is tough work. Loads of planning, loads of quick decisions, every single day of the year. Up to 75% of a laundry's expenses are variable. That's why the everyday decisions have consequences in the laundry. As much as 40% of a laundry's expenses may consist of production salaries. That's why your hour-by-hour decisions are crucial. Your decisions are business critical. The quality of your decisions is vital for your laundry's bottom line, and sometimes the difference between black and red. Laundry Logics create a complete computer-based 3D model of your laundry. This virtual reality model uncovers your production and gives you the data, statistics and figures that show how your laundry is performing in the model, minute by minute. In other industries, investment is often the key to competitiveness, but the laundry industry is rather unique in this respect. Even machines from the 1970s can still be competitive. Increased specialization and automation and ever-increasing production volumes challenge your capacity to make the right decisions. In other words, day-to-day production is a complex challenge, and once you've sent off a batch, you've played your card. It's difficult, if not impossible, to recall it. Competitiveness is a result of making the right decisions. You will strengthen your competitiveness by controlling your product flow, using machinery and allocating staff in a result-oriented manner. You will get the best out of your laundry by optimizing the product flow, machinery and people, whether your challenge is to optimize an existing laundry or to design a brand new laundry and getting it up and running. The 3D model and our built-in logic provide you with solutions, making sure that the right things are ready on time, the right batches, the right people, the right processes at the right moment. Laundry Logics test and discover potential, making your daily operations efficient. With us, you can test new laundries, new machines, new customers, and new ways of working. We calculate and analyze your laundry's infrastructure, its consumption, capacity, process rates, emissions, and expenses, and provide you with the knowledge to make your decisions more profitable. Production against the latent potential in your product flow, your machinery, and your staff. Laundry Logics map your way, step by step, from analysis to optimized production. Our laundry simulator tests alternatives and presents the consequences before decisions become reality, before decisions end up as expenses and bottom line in your accounts. We find the weak points and imbalances in your production, showing you how to take action to become more efficient. Laundry Simulator is a tool that provides the basis for fact-based decisions on operations, finances and the environment in one and the same model. Laundry Simulator, when you want to perform at a higher level. Laundry Simulator, when you're designing a new laundry and getting it off the ground.